To share a quick instant eye lift. Do you feel like your eyes are tired, hooded? We're coming out of winter, we're into spring, summer, and you really want that gorgeous lift. I'm going to show you 3 very easy, natural, vegan and cruelty-free products that will give you an instant eye lift. It's not surgery, but it is the next best thing. So I'm putting a tiny amount and I'm pressing underneath my eye to cover my dark circles, but I will sweep over my eyelid from lash line right up to brow bone, and that's going to give me a gorgeous base that I can either add eyeshadow to, or I can leave as it is as a natural lifted eye look. I'm only going to the middle of my eye, and I'm just making sure that I'm happy with how I'm covering that darkness, and then for the rest I'm just going to sweep very naturally upwards. Doesn't sit in your lines. We've got ladies into their 80s that swear by this product. It will give you that gorgeous lift. So already before I've done brows and lashes, you can see that my eyelids are lifted. This got rid of all that darkness on my lid. And then I'm going to go brows. So this is a gorgeous brow gel. Believe it or not, even though I'm pale, I'm using black because I love the coolness of this shade. Sometimes I feel like brown is just a little bit too warm for my skin tone. There are a lot of ladies that wear black, even when they've got fair hair, you know, blonde ladies, grey-haired ladies that love the coolness of the black brow gel. If you've got greys coming through, this will cover those greys. It's got an ingredient in it that brings back the natural pigment of your hair. So you'll get rid of those awful greys and they will look thicker and fuller. So this is a lash primer. This lash primer looks like there's nothing in it. Feels like there's nothing in it. Nothing comes out in the hand, but look at the difference. So when you get it onto the lashes, you put it to the root, you wriggle it back and forth, and then you roll it through from the root of the lash right through to the tip. Again, it doesn't look like it's done anything until you add the mascara. So bear with it. Put it on your lashes, roots, wriggle and roll to make sure you're getting it in between the lashes and right through to the tips. I do a tiny bit on the bottom. Let it dry for about 30 seconds usually, but I'm going to put my mascara straight on now so you can see what it looks like. This is brown. This Code Beautiful mascara comes in blue. Looks like the 80s blue, but it's not. It's a very soft, natural navy. Comes in black and it comes in brown. I'm loving brown at the moment just for that natural, subtle look. So same technique, roots, wriggle, and then roll the brush through. Great with all colours of eyes, blue, dark, brown, green. This brown shade is absolutely lovely. In fact, all the shades are lovely with all eye colours. Get it to the root, wriggle and roll it through. And you can see already why this kit sells out. It is the Instant Eye Lift Kit. It's on offer when you buy the products together as a kit on Code Beautiful website. Have a look. I'll put the details for you. Ask me any questions. And I would love to hear, if you tried it, what you think of this lovely Instant Eye Lift Kit. Just look at the difference.